Alright guys, so here is how to use and a quick review of the cruise control on the 2022 Tuareg, Aprilia Tuareg 660. So you've got this lever on the left which moves up and down and to the left. If you hold it to the left for a couple seconds, that icon is going to start flashing green. That means it's ready to be set. To set it, you just tap that lever to the left and there it is. Push it up to accelerate, down to decelerate, obviously. And here on the right, there's a little cruise control icon to the right of the speed, if you can see it there, and it shows you the speed you're set at. Now, if you open the throttle, it'll allow you to accelerate. The cruise control will stay set and it'll decelerate down to your set speed. Let me turn it off. To turn it off, you hold it to the left for a couple seconds. All right, now let's test it at lower speeds. There it is, under 30 miles an hour, it's set, which is great for a bike like this, for all the different terrains and environments you might find yourself in. So again, if I open the throttle and it's set, it'll speed up, but it won't disable it. But it shows you here to the right the speed that it's set at. So if you close the throttle, it's going to come down and settle at the speed you were set at. To change that set speed, you use the cruise control lever up or down. If I apply the brake, for example the rear brake like I just did now, it disables it, but it continues to flash, which means that it's ready to be set again on the fly by tapping that to the left like I just did. So the main controls of this lever is tap it up, tap down, tap to the left, and hold to the left. Those are the four functions. And I speed up, I shift gears, it's disabled, it wants me to reset it because I shifted gears. So I tap it to the left and it's reset at 48 miles an hour, which is where I am, and there you go. This is awesome for those long rides. Super user friendly, very intuitive. I like it. So look, if you guys have any questions, ask me in the comments. I'm quick to answer. If I don't know the answer, I will find out and post the answer for you. So as you see, it's flashing. I'm gonna hold it to the left for a couple seconds. It turns it off and we're back to no cruise control anywhere. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. See you very soon in the next one.